Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to do actions on PolyBuzz. First of all, launch open PolyBuzz application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to do certain actions, first of all, simply go to the chat in which you want your character to do the action. Now once you do that, that particular chat will be opened. Now tap on the message bar that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is simply type in your message over here. Now in order to do the action, what you have to do is simply enclose the action within the single asterisk. For that, simply tap on the asterisk symbol on your keyboard. Now after you do that, simply type in your action over here. After you're done typing in, simply enter the asterisk again. Now after you do that, tap on the send icon in order to send your message. Now once you do that, you can see over here your message will be sent. Now right over here the action will be shown in the italics. That means now your character is doing the action. So like this you'll be able to do the action in PolyBuzz. So that is how you do action in PolyBuzz. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.